Why? The smiling appears because of softness in our heart. So we should study them more and understand in the society we associate with different people, so we can feel them. That's right. So very important principle is the quality of friendship in the society. Very important.
In fact, emphasis on this world, the modern world of today, is that success,
Success.
leadership, and management gurus. So people pay so much money for this seminar gurus and things. Everyone go and actually they are all material success.
Qualities.
Yes, yes. And the world is craving.
Yeah.
People are workaholic.
That's
They
right.
work.
You use the word guru.
Yes.
I want to say a few things.
Okay.
I had this discussion
Yeah.
in this way. Today, what are going on in the society? The leadership program, management program, and then guru and guru's activities, so on. These are all commercial time. So and so is my guru. For what? Just to show a material quality. So when I was in Suriname, I got this experience. I went to Suriname. It is in South Africa. I think I told you about that. South Africa, unknown place for many. I went there because I got an invitation from that country. Please come and teach us Dhamma. So I had that friendship. Without knowing them materially or physically, I directly went. That friendship I had. On my way, I went to Amsterdam. Then friends in Amsterdam, they told me, Bhante, if you go to Suriname, you be careful. Such environment they have. Then I felt, first I felt a little bit afraid because they say like that, then how I should behave there. Later on I thought about that. Yes, I have my own quality of friendship with everybody. If I have my quality of friendship, nobody will harm to me, like in this discourse. I thought that. So I went with my own vision. And I saw that they are not friendly. They are very hard. But still when I was there, at the airport, wonderful voice created by the visitors there, saying sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Why? Some people, they were Buddhist actually, without seeing monks, they were Buddhist. They had heard how to welcome a monk from others through the internet. That is the spiritual friendship. And then they gave me that kind of warm welcome, saying sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. So that is friendship. We build without seeing each other. And when I was there about 2 weeks, I conducted so many programs, discussions, chantings, meditation, everything. Finally, one lady came to me and asked, Bhante, can I select you as my guru? I was surprised. The word guru we don't use. Then I wanted to know why you want to select me as your guru. No, I want to collect your photo and keep in my room. Then I can show to others that you are my guru. So this is the material way they use. So it is such kind of what you call worldly pleasure to show to others. It is there everywhere. If you ask some people, they have some pictures in their pockets. They just show us. So this is my guru. So no qualities, only namesake. So these are all material achievements. And again, leadership. So they arrange programs for leadership. 3 days, 7 days, finally nothing, only wasting money. So they, at the beginning, they say, we are all now in under one roof. So we are friends to each other under this roof. So on they introduce. Finally only business minded. So all these things away from the spiritual way. In this material world, different things arise. We should not worry about them and we should not accept them. We should accept only the teaching of the Buddha and practice proper balance in our daily life. That's correct, yes.
I was told that the best leadership courses are all in the Dhamma books.
That's right. Leadership, we have the Dhamma book, we can find science, psychology, philosophy, sociology, everything. So, what else we want? We can enjoy it, okay? Because now it is 10 now. Wow. Yes, it is too late then. So, shall we conclude then? First of all, we should transfer merit to deities and depart earlier too. After all, at the end, shall we have an aspiration? Akasattha Chumata Devanaga Maitika Punyantam Anmoditva Chiran Rakkantu Loka Sasanam Akasattha Chumata Devanaga Maitika Punyantam Anmoditva Chiran Rakkantu Desanam Akasattha Chumata Devanaga Maitika Punyantam Anmoditva Chiram Rakkantu Tvam Sada Idam me Jnatinam Hotu Sukhita Huntu Jnatayo Idam me Jnatinam Hotu Sukhita Huntu Jnatayo Idam me Jnatinam Hotu Sukhita Huntu Jnatayo Imina punya kamene mami bala samagamo satang samagamo tu yavanibbana patiya yavanibbana patiya yavanibbana patiya sadhu sadhu triple justice.